Imagine holding a device in the palm of your hand that completely changes how the world sees you. A piece of technology so small it fits in your pocket, yet so advanced it eliminates the need for a camera crew, a remote control, or any drone flying experience. For years, the tech world has watched the evolution of personal filmmaking. But what is happening right now in the drone industry is an absolute game changer. The buzz around the next generation of pocket-sized AI drones is reaching a boiling point. Everyone is asking the exact same question. Is this the device that finally makes every other vlogging camera obsolete? If you are a content creator, a tech enthusiast, or someone who just loves cutting-edge gadgets, what we are about to break down will change how you think about capturing your life forever. When the original ultra-lightweight palm takeoff concepts first hit the market, they felt like a toy to some, but a revolutionary tool to others. Weighing less than a smartphone, they promise something incredible. A hands-free flying camera that follows you automatically. No heavy gear, no complicated regulatory licenses in most countries, and a price tag that made it accessible to anyone. It changed the landscape overnight. Suddenly, solo travelers could get cinematic tracking shots that previously required a two-man professional crew. Vloggers could walk down a busy street while a tiny robotic eye tracked their every move from 15 feet in the air, perfectly maintaining the frame. But as revolutionary as that first wave was, early adopters quickly hit a wall. Every first-generation piece of technology comes with compromise. Creators loved the portability, but they immediately started demanding more. They wanted crisper resolutions, better frame rates for slow-motion capture, longer flight windows, and most importantly, true intelligent safety systems. Flying a drone without obstacle avoidance is an exercise in extreme anxiety. One stray tree branch, one unexpected gust of wind, or one slight miscalculation indoors, and your expensive new gear is crashing straight into the concrete. The community spoke, the engineers went back to the drawing board, and the resulting leap in technology is exactly what brings us to this pivotal moment. The evolution we are witnessing right now shifts this device from a neat party trick to an essential piece of production gear. Imagine upgrading the internal brain of a drone to utilize deep learning AI tracking models that do not lose sight of you, even if you run behind a tree or blend into a crowd. Imagine an optical sensor array that maps its surroundings in real time, actively avoiding walls and obstacles without needing massive, heavy radar domes. This is the promise of the next generation micro-drone era. It is about removing the friction between an idea in your head and a breathtaking cinematic shot on your screen. To truly understand why the United States audience and global creators are obsessing over this category, you have to look at the massive shift in content creation itself. Short-form video platforms dominate modern media. The attention span of the average viewer is shorter than it has ever been. In a world where you have less than 2 seconds to hook an audience, static talking head videos from a webcam just do not cut it anymore. High production value wins the algorithm game. Dynamic movement, unique aerial angles, and seamless transitions are what keep people scrolling, watching, and engaging. But up until now, achieving that level of production value meant